Hi everybody, in the previous video we were showing you how to perform torque on the telemetry assembly. That was step 9 in handling repeater assembly maintenance checklist. And now we will showing you the step 10, measure capacitance of the piezo stack. Before we start doing that, we need to do mounting adapter for measuring stack capacitance. First step, we will disassemble the sorting plug. In the female side, pins 4 and 5 are welded. So, remove the welding carefully to not damage the components. Make sure that the pins 4 and 5 are physically separated. After we ensure pins 4 and 5 are separated, now we can reassemble the sorting plug. And then we can remove the adapter. Then connect the sorting plug. After we connect the sorting plug, and then we can remove the cover. And then we can start measure capacitance. In the checklist, capacitance of stack part number 101569632 should be between 1.1 microfarad to 1.5 microfarad, range at ambient temperature. When we measure the capacitance of the piezo stack, ensure capacitance should be measured between pins 4 and 5 on the female connector or toward the electronics.